KS372 is a journey that started quite a while, but of course the objective is to come up with vehicles which are safe and comfortable for our passengers. Now, you can actually have a look at what has been happening on our roads over a period of time. This is an image that was captured way back in the year 2013. This is what KS372 wants to arrest. We have some images, like this actually a bus which was involved in an accident some time back, this year, at Mtitwandei. And fine, we do appreciate that accidents happen, but a properly constructed bus mitigates the effects of accidents.
KS372 was developed in 2004. Then it was reviewed in 2010, and it was not made operational. Then in 2013, as you saw that image of Netulele, NTSA thought that there is something wrong, and actually we now went and sat with the technical committee in KEPS and said that there is something wrong which has been done or which has been happening in our construction industry. Did that process within 2014. Then the standard was gazetted in 2014. In 2015, the same TS 122 met and decided that now we have to implement the standard. Then in 2015, as far as per the standard, NTSA advertised for all those organizations which are dealing with bodybuilders to apply for them to be approved. 14 have been approved.
Ntsa, Kenya Bureau of Standards, started to have this conversation on really looking at body construction. There was a lot of interest in the side of the body fabricators. They quickly organized themselves into the association that we have today. They registered themselves under Kenya Association of Manufacturers, and they got down to work with NTSA, with Kenya Bureau of Standards, with manufacturers like ourselves. And I think we should not take that for granted. This is how we can create strong partnerships. So as we continue with this journey, we are not only building vehicles for Kenya, we are building vehicles for the entire region. And this standard will help us to elevate quality and safety.
And this standard is mandatory. Those who are building bus bodies are under an obligation, as a matter of fact, to comply with this particular standard. Out of 31 bus building companies that applied, only 14 were found suitable. And only those 14 companies should, as a matter of fact, be building bus bodies. With respect to bus imports, because 372 is a mandatory standard, we as KEPS will implement this standard and ensure that no bus comes into this country that does not meet the requirements of KS 372. And I see myself going to the East African Standards Committee, campaigning for harmonization of this particular standard that we are discussing today.
The standard provides a strong base for the sustainable growth of the industry. It provides a level playing field, and it also serves as a legitimate basis for regulation. The support was overwhelming from the general public, and such public goodwill is a testimony that the benefits of this standard are at the heart of our citizenry.
Ever-changing expectations of our consumers has seen the industry align itself with best practices in the world, with the aim of not only providing our customers with world-class buses, but that are durable, safe and comfortable, but also keeping abreast with technological advancement in the industry worldwide.
Accreditation more or less propagates a self-regulation mechanism that the industry has demonstrated here, that they would want to come up in an overt manner and say, look, we have built this vehicle and this body, and it has been inspected against international requirements, and so we are okay to go. And that's the confidence that the public wants from us. That's the confidence that I want when I'm getting into a bus. I'm not getting into a bus that has plywood at the base. Somebody said we have buses that have plywood at the base. Because when that bus crashes, surely, is my life protected? No.
In regards to this standard, I want to assure that our role is to ensure that going forward, no vehicle is going to be licensed without having conformed to this standard. And we want to say that the standard is officially launched, and we'll be looking forward to seeing much more safer public transport vehicles on our roads. Thank you.
Thank you. So when you go inside, you'll see even the steps where it is supposed to be 365, it is 365. Even the width of the seat